Basically, we are going to conduct a session for phonics. Okay, so we know phonics. Phonics is basically related to sounds. Yeah, sounds of different alphabets. So we all know like how many alphabets are there in English? Can somebody tell me? How many alphabets do we have? Yes, good. You
26.
26. Yes, very good. 26. Wonderful. So there are 26 alphabets in total, and all these 26 alphabets, they have different sounds. Okay? Yeah. All the 26 alphabets, they have different sounds. And that is what is called as phonics. Okay? Phonics, it's related to the sounds of different alphabets. Yeah? Okay. Oh, very good. So I'm so glad to see all of you today on a Sunday morning. Bright, smiling faces. Lovely. Okay. Chalo. Let's move to the actual part of our session today. So today I've got a very interesting topic for all of you. So the topic that we're going to talk about today is diagraphs. Does any of you here know what is a digraph? Anybody? Anybody knows? You can probably unmute your mics and then speak if in case you know about it. Okay, I can see Riddhi. Riddhi, you know what is a digraph? Yes, okay. Can you please tell us? Okay, no problem. I'll explain you. Okay. See, what is a digraph? So it mentions that when two letters, when they come together, they make a new sound. And that new sound that they make is called a digraph. Let me show you some examples here. See, can you see this? So the first letter that I have here is letter C. Letter C makes the sound k, 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 the curly k. The next letter that we have here is letter H. Letter H makes the sound h, 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 h. Yes, but when both of them come together, letter C and letter H, when they come together, when they become best buddies, they make a new sound. And what is that new sound? The new sound, very good, Riddhi. The new sound that they make is ch, ch, ch. For example, when we say, I am sitting on a chair, ch, ch, chair. Okay? When they both these letters, they become best of buddies. That is when they make a new sound, and that new sound is known as ch, 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 ch. Okay? Ch. Similarly, when we have letter S makes the sound like a snake moves. You know what is the sound that letter H makes? आपको letter H का sound पता है?
Yes.
Yeah, what is the sound?
Yes.
हाँ बेटा, H is the name of the letter, and if in case we say the sound of letter H, the sound of letter H is h, 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 like hat, h, h, h. That is the sound. But when S and H, they come together and they become best buddies, they make a new sound that
मैम
is
कॉन्सोनेंट में कितने ये होते हैं बताइए ना प्लीज.
consonant में.
कितने लेटर होते हैं प्लीज बताइए ना मेरे को इधर.
21.
Beta, there are 21 consonants. See, there are 26 alphabets in total, okay, out of which there are 21 consonants and there are 5 vowels. Okay, the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And apart from these, all 21 that are left, that are known as consonants. So, अभी जो हम लोग ये पढ़ रहे हैं ना, अगर आप देख रहे होगे screen पे, these are consonant digraphs. इनमें सब consonants है. When two consonants they come together, they make a new sound. Okay, Saloni? Okay. So we were doing S and H together. Okay. So we know S makes the sound S. and H makes the sound ha, ha, ha. But when they both come together, they make a new sound, and that is known as sh, 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 shoe. And now we all wear shoes, right? Sh, sh, shoe. So that is how it makes a new sound. Okay. So similarly, we have some more consonant diagrams also, like T and H coming together. They make the sound th.
No,
Yes,
no.
yes, 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 beta. Please tell me.
I lose every sound.
Yes, Gurdev, you're saying something?
I know every sound.
You know every sound. Wow, wonderful. Very good. Great. Okay, so when T and H is coming together, now see, I'm going to take this up further also, but I'm just telling you here, when T and H is coming together, it is making two different sounds, okay? One is the soft th, and one is the hard the, okay? T and H coming together makes two different sounds, soft th and hard the. We are going to take this up further also. I have few slides for that to explain you better. Okay. Similarly, W and H coming together makes the new sound w, 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 like whistle. है ना? Whistle. P and H coming together makes a new sound f, phone, f, phone. And C and K coming together makes the sound k, k, k. Okay, C and K coming together makes the sound k, k, k. For example, when we say neck, है ना, neck. Neck में, if you see, ending is N-E-C-K. That is how we write down neck, right? N-E-C-K. So here, this is C and K making one sound, that is k. So we don't say neck, k, k. We don't use the sound for C and K individually. We just put it as one sound, that is k. Clear? You can show me a thumbs up if it's clear. If in case you have any doubts here, you can show me, you can please ask. Any doubts? Okay, so I can see maximum thumbs up. Great, wonderful. Okay, very good. So these were some basic examples of consonant diagrams that we use. Okay.
Your A का sound.
Avyan, I can hear Avyan saying something, but your voice is not very clear.
E
and A.
and A. Man.
बोलने
Yes,
क्या
yes.
रहेगा?
E and A. You were saying E and A, Avyan, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, correct. So that are vowel diagrams. So we are coming to that now next, okay? So both E and A, they are vowels, okay? So when two vowels also come together, even they can make a new sound, and that is called vowel diagrams. Okay, so I have some examples for you here. For example, if in case we say A and I together, okay? A and I together, for example, in the word rain, in the word train. So it is making a new sound, that is A. Okay, that is A. A and I coming together makes a new sound, that is A. Okay, otherwise, if in case we know the sound for letter A is A, 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 A. Okay, A, A, alligator. And the sound for letter I is E, E, igloo. E, igloo. But when they both come together in the word like train, they make a new sound, that is called A. A. Okay. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Sorry. I just, there was actually somebody at the door and, I had to open it. Sorry. Okay. So we were doing the vowel diagrams. So are we clear with the first one? A and I coming together and making the sound A.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, if in case we have two E's together, okay, two E's written together, they produce the long E sound. For example, the word tree. For example, when we write B. So, then next, we can also have the vowel diagrams O, okay, when O and A come together. Okay, they produce a new sound, that is O. For example, if in case we write down the word boat.
मुझे सुना
Okay, if in case we write down the word boat. So this O and E coming together, it is making the sound O. Okay, clear? Okay. Now we also have double O written together. Now again, in double O also we can have the long oo sound or the short oo sound. Now if in case we talk about short oo, the example can be book. But when we say long oo, moon. So the oo is stretching in when we say moon. हम लोग moon नहीं बोलते ना, we say moon. So that is long oo. There is a stretch. When it is short oo, like in book. Here in the word book, we are not stretching it. Okay? Book. Yes? So that is how we can have vowel digraphs. Okay? Like two vowels coming together, becoming best of buddies, and then making a new sound. Clear? Are we clear with the concept of digraphs? Consonant digraphs and vowel digraphs? So consonant digraphs, when we know that there are 21 consonants. So when consonants are coming together, two consonants, they make a new sound, and that is called a consonant digraph. When the 5 vowels, they come together, okay? 2 vowels coming together, they make vowel digraphs. They make a new sound, and that is called a vowel digraph. Okay? Wow, such a huge bubble, Gurdev. Balloon. You're still in the holy mood, huh? Okay, chalo. Okay, I think Gurdev wanted to try this. Okay, so let's hear what Gurdev has to say, and then we'll move to the next student. Okay.
each which
Very good. So can we all give a clap to Gurdev? Wonderful. Very good, Gurdev. Okay, so let's send some reward for Gurdev. What does she like to eat? Does she like to eat candies? Do you like candies? Yes. Okay, great. Chalo, let's send some rainbow candies your way. Did you get the candy? The rainbow candy. Very good. Great. Okay. Chalo, let's move forward. Who's going to read the next word?
ma'am
First. Okay. Avyan wants to read it? Yes.
sure.
So, Avyan, this is the word for you. Hmm?
Sure.
So how, when you join all the sounds together, what does it become?
Sure.
Somebody said that. I think Avyan, there's a network issue. He's frozen. Okay, Shraddha's iPhone. I can hear you. You said the word, I think.
Sure.
Very good.
I'm
Yes, so the word is shut. Very good, great. So now what would you like to have? Some chocolates? Do you like
Yes.
to? Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. Let's send some chocolates your way. Great. Okay. So Avyan, you want to write the next word?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me show you the next
Yes.
one. Okay, Avyan, this is the word for you. Join it. What does the word become? Join all the sounds together.
Path. Path.
I think all of you wants to get all of you wants to have chocolate and candies, है ना? Yes. So we all okay. Who's Avyan? Let's give Avyan a try. No, okay. He's been waiting since a long time. After that, we'll come to you, Riddhi, Arohi. Okay. So Avyan, yes, please. You're reading this word.
Yes.
Hmm?
But
Beta,
Path.
it's path. Yes, very good. It is path.
Path.
Yes, path. So here when you see TH has the soft th sound. Okay, soft th. Okay. So Avyan is going to get some yummy, yummy ice cream. Great. And you can share the ice cream with your sister as well. Sister, brother. Brother. Henna, that's your brother? Yes? So please share the ice cream with him also. Hello. Very cute. Okay. Chalo, let's move forward. The next word. So next word, who's going to try? Who will try reading the next word?
Whiff. White.
No, better say it again. What is, you know the sound of letter I?
Whiff.
Whiff. Yes. So the word is whiff. W-E. And here also see 2F. 2F coming together. They make the sound of one single F, and that is, what is the sound of letter F? The way we blow candles, our birthday cake candles. That is the sound of letter F. So this word becomes whiff. Okay? Where you can see W and H making one sound, that is W. E is the second sound and is the third sound. Yeah? Okay, good one. Okay. So Riddhi, what should we give you? You like to have donuts?
Yes.
Yeah, so sending some chocolate donuts your way. So Krisha, this is the word for you. How are you going to read this word?
H. E. M.
Yeah, so join them together. What does it become? When you join all the words together, all the sounds together, what word does it become?
The.
See, beta, this is the hard the. T and H coming together. You remember I told you two different sounds. One is the soft th. For example, when we say thank, think, that is when we are using the soft th. Okay, it is voiceless when we say th. But when we say the hard the, we can hear the voice hard the. So this is here in this word, this TH makes the hard the sound. The. The sound of letter E is e, egg. You know? And the sound of letter M is mm. Now we have the, three sounds. So when we join all three sounds together, what word does it become? Try to join the, them. Very good. So this word is them. Okay, where we are using the hard the. Hard the. T and H is making the hard the sound. Very good, Krisha, for trying. Okay, so what are you going to have? What is it that you like?
Ice cream.
Oh, you also like ice cream. Okay. Do you want ice cream in a cup or do you want ice cream in a cone?
Cone.
Cone. So let's send some ice cream, some rainbow ice cream for you. Yes. Okay. Great. Very good. Okay. So are we a bit clear with the diagrams? Yes, a little bit clarity about what diagrams are. Okay, chalo. Now let's move forward. I'm going to show you some more examples. Okay. So first, we are going to talk about the consonant digraphs. We are going to take up the consonant digraphs sh. Okay, S and H coming together to make the consonant digraph sh. Okay. For example, in the word shoe, sh, oo. Now here, if you see, we have a consonant digraph also and we have a vowel digraph also. Okay. S and H coming together to make the consonant digraph sh and O and together making the vowel digraph oo. So that is shoe. Okay. Next, we can see the word shop. We go to the shop now to buy ice creams and candies. So shop is also a example of the consonant digraph sh, where S and H together makes the sound sh, sh, sh. Then shower. So we all take a shower when we get up in the morning. Yes. So
Yes.
shower is also sh. Consonant digraph sh. Okay. Yes. Okay. Aruna Devi. So like, can you give me an example of a word with the consonant digraph sh? Can you think of something? It's a consonant digraph sh.
Shampoo.
Shampoo, yes, very good. Excellent. Shampoo, yes, very good. Okay, so are we clear with the first one, that is sh? S and H coming together to make the sound, to make a new sound, that is sh. Okay, let's move forward to the next.
Ma'am, sheet.
Ma'am, sheet.
Sheet, yes, wonderful, very good. So great, you're coming up with good examples. So that means the concept is to you. Love
Ma'am, sheet.
she, yes, very good. Very good. Wonderful. Great. Okay. Okay, now let's move forward. Next one we have is ch. Okay, wherein C and H come together to make a new sound, that is ch. Digraph ch. For example, chair. We are all sitting on a chair. Ch, chair. Chat. So we are talking to each other. Chat. Okay. Chase. Okay. The cat is chasing the rat. Chase. Then we can also have cheese. Do we all like to eat cheese? Cheese on pizza. Yes. Pizza
Yes.
doesn't good. No, pizza doesn't taste good without cheese. You know? So
Yes.
cheese.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes. I'm here only. Please tell.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ship.
Chimp.
Ship.
Ship, yes, ship also sure, yes. So Arohi, tell me something with the ch diagram. C and H. Ch. Acha, what is it that we all like to have? Keep munching in between.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, yes, and also packet of chips. Chips. Do we all like to eat chips? Yes. Okay, very good. So chocolate, chips. Great.
Chocos. Ma'am.
Chocos, yes, very good.
Ma'am, cut.
Sorry?
Cut.
Cut?
Ma'am,
No, beta, cut only has C. So we are talking about C and H coming together to make a new sound, that is ch. Ch.
Chain.
Chain. Very good. Chain.
Chest.
Wonderful. Chest also, yes. Wonderful. Okay, the next one. Next one is W and H coming together to make the new sound wa. For example, veil, color white, who, when, all these question words that we have. When.
Ma'am, wheel.
Sorry?
Wheel.
Wheel, yes. So wheel, Riddhi. So wheel also has a vowel diagrams. Two E's together. Okay, I had, see. Okay, I'll have to. Second.
और क्या रहता है पता नहीं मैम when what mama where
So all the question words that we have, no, where, why, what, when, all these question words, they begin with the consonant digraph verb. Okay, so all this color white, veil, who, the question words, why, what, which, when, all these question words, they begin with the consonant digraph verb. Okay, the next one we have is TH. Now TH is making two sounds. One is the soft th, second is the hard the. Now these are some examples of the soft th. Think, third, thorn. Now for the hard the, we can have that, this, them, there. These are some examples of the hard the. Next one is P and H coming together to make a new sound, F. For example, photo, phonics that we are all learning today, phone. These are some of the examples of words with the F.
Photo.
Yes, photo, phonics, phone. Okay. And the next is CK. So CK coming together, making a new sound, K. Back, lock. Clear? Okay. Now this is the third that I was telling you about. When T and H is coming together, first it can make a soft th sound, unvoiced. Okay, th. It can make the hard the. That is voiced. The. Okay. Now for examples of soft th, like we say the number 3. Teeth. Okay, teeth. Think. These are all some of the examples. These are all some of the examples of soft th. Okay, the soft th. And this is hard the. For example, when you're saying this, that, or the relation. Okay, words describe relationship like father, mother, brothers. You know, all these words, grandfather, grandmother. These relationship words, they have the hard the. Then, yes. So this is how T and H, it makes two different sounds. One is the soft th, the other is the hard the. Yes, hard the. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, any doubts till here? Any questions? Saloni, any question?
Saloni.
Saloni, is she there?
Yes.
So Saloni, is it clear? Any question that you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay. So now we are going to do a very short activity. Okay. Now here there are some pictures and you have to choose the correct consonant digraph for that picture. So only that person will answer whom I will ask. Okay. Divisha. Okay. So hello Divisha. Can you turn on your camera? Because I can't see you. Ah, okay. Hello. How are you? Fine. Great. So did you understand the diagram? आपको समझ आया? Yes. Okay. Very good. So आप मैम को ये first वाला आंसर बताओगे? ये picture क्या है? What is this? That's a shoe. Very good. So ये दो diagrams हैं. हम लोग कौन सा वाला select करेंगे इसके लिए?
कौन सा यूज करें शू के लिए? SH की CH?
श और च. SH. Very good. Correct. SH. That is shoe. Very good. Great. Thank you. Okay. Arohi, you want to answer? You answer this one, the second one. What is this? The second picture that I've circled. What is this called? Thumb. Very good. So which diagram are we choosing for thumb?
TH.
Oh, Aruna Devi has answered. Okay, correct. It is TH. So TH, is it in thumb when we say, is it the soft th or the hard the? Arohi? Soft th or the hard the for thumb? Soft th. है ना, हम लोग thumb बोलते हैं ना, we don't say dumb, we say thumb. Soft th. Okay? Okay. Okay, now Saloni, aapki chance. Saloni, please answer for this one. Number 3, what is this?
Cheese.
Cheese. Very good. So which diagram are we going to use for cheese?
CH.
CH. Wonderful. Very good. Okay, Avyan, chalo, you tell us. What is this? The last picture.
Chin.
Chain. Very good. And which diagram do we use for chain?
CH की CK.
CH.
CH. Wonderful. Very good. Wonderful. Great. So nice seeing you answering so confidently. Very good. So let's send some chocolates.
Thank
You're
you, ma'am.
welcome.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So I'm sending you some chocolates your way, okay? For all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, great.
Thank
So
you,
are
ma'am.
you clear with the consonant digraph part, right? Okay. Now let's quickly wind up with the vowel digraphs. Some examples of the vowel digraphs I'll show you. Okay. Now, for example, the first one that we are going to talk about is A and I coming together to make a new sound, A. Okay. For example, the word brain. We all have brains, yes? Brain. So brain. It has A
Bread.
making a new sound, A. Nail.
Egg. Nail.
Yes, nail. Rain.
Rain.
Train.
Rain.
Train. Who all likes to say
Rain.
train? ट्रेन में किसी को अच्छा लगता है?
अच्छा.
अच्छा लगता है अव्यान को? ट्रेन.
Yeah.
Very good.
मजा आता है.
मजा आता है ना? Yes.
हाँ.
Okay. Next one. Paint. Nail. So these are all some of the examples of the vowel digraph AI. Okay, AI to make a new sound, that is A. That we use these words that we just saw here. Okay? Yeah?
Okay.
Great. Okay. Next one. Double E. Two E's coming together to make a new sound. E. There is a stretch. For example, street.
Tree.
Okay? B.
Bee.
Bead.
Need.
Queen. Now, okay, let me tell you here. Now, this queen, it has two digraphs. आपको पता है Q and U always comes together. जो letter U होता है ना, that is the letter friend of letter Q. Q कभी के बिना नहीं आएगा. आप कोई भी word देखोगे ना, जो Q से start होता है, उसके बाद हमेशा U आएगा. So both Q and U together, they make one sound, that is qua. So this is E, queen. Okay, so U is the letter friend of Q. It will always be written with the letter Q. Next
Q.
is E. Tree.
Tree.
Peel.
E.
Sweep.
Tree.
And C. So these
C.
are also sweet. How can I forget sweet for my sweet
Tree.
friend? Yes. So two E's coming together to make the long E sound. The examples we just read here. Okay. Okay. Now
Okay.
look at O and A coming together to make a new sound. O. Okay. O and A coming together to make the new sound. O. For example, road, soap, float, goat, oat, toad, coat, boat, and oak. Clear? Yes? O and A clear? O, A coming together to make a new sound. O. Okay. Now next is U. Now as I told you in the beginning, U can be two O's coming together. Okay. Two O's coming together making the U sound. Now U can be the short U or the long U. Okay. It can be the short U or the long U. Any one. So now let's understand both of them. Now, when we say the short oo sound, examples for short oo can be wood. जैसे हम लोग इसमें ऊ पे stretch नहीं कर रहे, okay? We just say wood, hood, book, cook, hook. So there is no stretch on these oo, double O's. But when we come to long oo, there is a stretch in the oo sound. So when we say moon, अब आप मून बोलते हैं तो डबल ओ पे स्ट्रेच होता है ना, ऊ, है ना, मून, जू, स्पून, रूम, broom. These are some of the words wherein we are using the long oo sound because there is a stretch in the oo. Okay? Clear with the short oo and the long oo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So short oo pe there is no stretch. Okay? Like we're saying cook, book, wood. In long oo there is a stretch. Moon, room.
Moon.
Yes. ओके हम लोग स्ट्रेच करते हैं डबल ओ साउंड पर इन लॉन्ग ऊज. सो दैट इज हाउ इट बिकम्स शॉर्ट ऊ एंड लॉन्ग ऊ. ओके, क्लियर?
Okay.
No
Yes, ma'am.
doubts? So we are clear with what is a digraph. As I told you, what digraphs are when we have two sounds coming together to make a new sound, that is known as a digraph. Okay? When two letters, two sounds, they come together to make a new sound, it is called a digraph.
Ma'am.
ठीक है, so आपको सबको समझ में आ गया? Two letters coming together to make new sound, that is called a digraph. Digraph can be consonant digraphs or vowel digraphs. Consonants हमें पता है there are 21, vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U, these are the 5 vowels. ठीक है, जब दो कॉन्सोनेंट्स कोई साथ में आते हैं, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी इसके सभी कॉन्सोनेंट्स बनाएंगे. ओके सलोनी, आप 5 वॉवल्स बताइए कौन कौन से हैं?
AEIOU.
वंडरफुल, वेरी गुड. ओके, सो जब वॉवल साथ में आएंगे वो वॉवल डायग्राफ बनाते हैं, दो वॉवल्स, या जब कॉन्सोनेंट साथ में आते हैं दो कॉन्सोनेंट्स तो वो कॉन्सोनेंट डायग्राफ बनाते हैं. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द 5 वॉवल्स. ठीक है, A to Z हमारे पास 26 अल्फाबेट्स होते हैं ना जब हम लोग A to Z करते हैं, जिनमें से 5 वॉवल्स होते हैं और बाकी जो 21 बचे, 26 minus 5 is 21, वो 21 they are called as consonants. ओके, क्लियर हो गया? सो आर वी क्लियर विद दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, wonderful. Okay, so that is from my side regarding the digraphs. Okay, so
थोड़े क्वेश्चंस पूछो ना.
सलोनी आपको बताना है आज के बारे में, क्लास के बारे में आपने
मुझे
क्या
बहुत
सीखा?
अच्छी लगी.
Thank you so much. So that is it for my side for today. Thank you. If you have any questions,
Ma'am,
please
thank you so
ask.
much.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was a pleasant session with you all. Such pretty, pretty smiling faces.